This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the tracker and connecting it to your ARK server so data flows in real time. Once done, sign into the tracker app and pick the correct server profile. This reduces false entries and lag. Next, place a physical or map beacon near where you suspect the creature and set a sensible radius. 500 to 1,000 units is typical to avoid noise. Make sure to tag the target dino immediately so the system records its location and ID. Now refine what you track. Apply species and level filters to remove unrelated blips so you focus on the right animal. Once filtered, set the refresh rate to between 5 and 15 seconds. Faster updates help during a chase but increase server load, so balance accordingly. You should also drop map markers as you get successive pings. When 2 or 3 beacons report positions, triangulate to get exact coordinates. This method is why trackers find targets faster than visual search alone. To finish, lock the target in the tracker and ready your capture loadout: tranquilizers, bola, or taming food, because timing matters once you have coordinates. Once you're confident, export or pin the final coordinates so you don't lose them when switching devices. If updates stop or locations drift, first verify the server API key and that the beacon or tracker service has power and proper permissions. Correcting those usually restores accurate pings. That single check solves most lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.